YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing a food review on KFC's chicken Souse.
Rude! 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 Rude!
Barat!
So when you think chicken Souse, you think juicy, tender pieces of chicken, normally the drumstick or the wings. And it's very seasoned, it's flavorful, you can taste the lime, there's potatoes, some people like carrots. There's like a lemon-based broth, I guess you can say. I'm not quite sure how best to describe it, so we'll put somewhere in the description somewhere. But yeah, it's a very traditional Bahamian breakfast. It's very well known from a like mom and pop store. But this time, KFC is deciding that they're going to try their hand at it. And apparently, this is not the first time they've done it. So today, I tried to go to KFC, but it looked like they were closed. So the advertisement didn't quite match what they had on the flyer because they should have been open from 8 and the lights were not on. So we'll try this again.
Alright guys, I just came back from the KFC Chicken Souse launch party. It was an exclusive.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Alright, so today we're going to try KFC's chicken Souse. It's being talked about a lot recently. They're trying this for, I guess, this weekend. So I'm going to taste test this and let you know if this is true Bahamian chicken Souse. So at first glance, it kind of resembles chicken Souse. The water look a little funny, but we get to that. But it has, you know, the potatoes, it has carrots, some people use carrots. You have your celery, so it kind of looks like chicken Souse. It has spices, okay. And it smells like it. So far, they're doing okay. So let's take a taste. Now, the chicken ain't really falling off the bone like you would when you go to like a mom and pop store, like someone who really knows how to do chicken Souse, so I'm a bit worried. And it's the color is there. Let's see. It's got some gravy in it.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Oh no.
No, no, no. You don't love me and I
Stop it.
don't
Get some help.
So generally the chicken tends to fall off the bone if you made it right. And the chicken should be flavored, but this has neither. So ultimately, still have some more in my mouth. I'm gonna throw it away. Ultimately, I would give it a 3 out of 10. It resembles chicken Souse, but it doesn't taste like one. I think it needs more seasoning. It needs to actually marinate and get those flavors in and brew properly. So, ultimately, my review would be it's a no for me.
Baby bet, ayy, couple racks, ayy, couple Grammys on him, couple plaques